Hello, my name is Josh Harmon. I'm the service manager here at Waconia Ford, your hometown Ford dealer since 1925. If you have a couple minutes, I would like to discuss something. It's happened to us all before. You're driving out on the road to work when suddenly that check engine light starts glowing on your dashboard. In a best case scenario, it could just be a loose gas cap. Be sure to check your owner's manual to see all possible triggers. However, if that's not the case, then it could be caused by a damaged sensor or engine misfire. It is highly advised that you schedule a service appointment to get this taken care of before it turns into something hazardous. Waconia Ford service technicians are highly trained to address and treat any automotive concerns that come their way. To schedule your service appointment, visit www.waconiaford.com. Click on the Service tab, click on the Schedule Service dropdown, and submit your appointment request. Thank you. We look forward to seeing you.